In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll know how to quickly narrow a large list down to just what you need using the built-in filter tools, and if you prefer formulas, the filter function. First, open Excel and the workbook that contains your data. Filtering works best when your data is in a clean tabular format with one header row at the top and no completely blank rows or columns breaking the table. If your headers are clear and each column holds a single type of information, like text, numbers, or dates, Excel can recognize and filter it more accurately. Click anywhere inside your dataset. This tells Excel which range to treat as a table for filtering. If your data is continuous, Excel will automatically understand the boundaries, so you don't need to select the entire range manually. Now go to the Data tab on the ribbon. This is where all your sorting and filtering tools live. Click Filter. You'll see small drop-down arrows appear in the header cells of your columns. Those are your filter controls. Open the arrow for the column you want to focus on. In the checklist that appears, uncheck the items you want to hide, or use the search box to quickly find a specific value. The search is especially helpful for long lists like product names or IDs. When you've made your selections, click Apply. Instantly, Excel hides the rows that don't match, keeping only what you want to see. You can repeat this on multiple columns to layer filters and narrow your results even further. For more precise control, look for text filters or number filters in that same dropdown. Choose a condition like equals, contains, greater than, or between, then enter the criteria you care about. This is perfect for filters like order total greater than 100 or names that contain a certain word. Excel applies that rule and shows only the rows that meet it. If your data uses cell colors or fill colors to highlight statuses or priorities, select Filter by Color from the dropdown. Pick the color you want, and Excel will show only the rows with that formatting. It's a fast way to isolate items you've already flagged visually. Prefer a formula-based approach? The filter function can return a live filtered view to a new location in your sheet. It dynamically updates as your data or criteria change, making it great for building dashboards or summary tabs without touching the original table. And that's it. Simple, flexible ways to filter your data in Excel so you can focus on what matters most.